Hey guys, it's Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. I am on my way to go see Mom. I didn't go yesterday, so we shall see how she's feeling today. I did bring her her little Debbie's and her new outfit, so hopefully that'll cheer her up. Hopefully she's in a great mood. Hopefully they did therapy with her and she's doing good, and I'll let you know when I get there afterwards. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and we are headed to town. Now, Mom is in the rehab center, so Tuesdays are not as much of a big deal because I can go any day when I have time. But I just wanted you to know it's Tuesday and I'm on my way to get my nails done. And then we'll go see Mom, and I don't know if I'll get to do any shopping at all. But that's okay because I can do it tomorrow. Anyways, I'm going to start keto. I already do intermittent fasting, so I decided, you know, if I'm going to go to California, I need to lose some weight. So I'm going to start keto because you're supposed to be able to lose it really fast. Only thing is, I really don't know how to do keto, but I know it's like all about fat. So I'm going to eat lots of bacon, and that's not cured with sugar. I know, no sugar and not a lot of and no carbs that are like starchy, I think. Although I did see one person eating sweet potato, so I don't know. I need to look that up. So I'm just going to start with deviled eggs and real cheese. I know you can't have cheese that has sugar added to it. And no cottage cheese and no yogurts because they all have sugar in them. Anyways, I'll figure it out. But we'll see how it works. I hope it works because I saw 10 pounds in 10 days. And I'm like, yes, that's what I need. So we'll see. I'll be back later. Okay, well, I went in and visited her, and I got my nails done too. She's in a pretty good mood. She pretty much slept the whole time I was there, but I went in and I did to ask her if she had therapy, and she said no. And I had talked to the nurse yesterday, and they said she gets therapy 55 minutes, 5 days a week. So I went in and asked if she had gotten therapy today, because when I asked her, she said no. And the nurse didn't know. She said, but therapy's here, so go talk to them. And I went and talked to them, and they actually said that the occupational therapist was gone, but she had already seen her. And then I talked to the physical therapist, and she said that she saw her this morning before breakfast and yesterday also. And that she said she was doing better. She was helping more. She said she still was having trouble with that one foot, that it still hurt, and she was still, she would respond to most things, and then, but sometimes they would have to like get her back on track, especially with the occupational therapist. So she's doing better, but she's still, I don't think she's doing as well as she should be doing. I think that because today is Tuesday, and she's been on she only had 5 days of antibiotics, so I'm thinking, I forgot to ask, I'll ask tomorrow, that she's done with them. So anyways, but I think she did eat, because they took her blood sugar and it was 154, which is, you know, she has to have insulin over 150. Not much insulin, just a little tiny bit. It's almost not worth the shot, but you have to start somewhere. So, it's freezing in there. I had to put on her sweater. I was so cold inside. And out here, it is not. It's cloudy and stormy, but it's nice and warm. So, which would be hot, except that I was freezing. So, now it's just, I thought, man, I got to get out of here. I'm going to catch pneumonia. Because I already have a little bit of cold. So, anyways, that's where we are on Tuesday. She's doing pretty good. A little bit better. Not great. She pretty much she definitely was in bed the whole time. And she would sleep on and off. I turned on the TV and put it on HGTV because I love Fixer Upper. I'm so sorry that Joanna and Chip quit. I don't blame them, but I loved seeing them and their kids. It's almost like a YouTube channel, huh? Anyways, I watched a couple Fixer Uppers, and then now I'm leaving because it is almost 5. It's 4 o'clock, and it takes me an hour to get home. So when I get home, I can eat. So that's why I have to go home now. So I'm just gonna head home and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello everybody, welcome to today's, let's see, what's today? Oh, today's Wednesday. Hello everybody, it's Wednesday and we are headed off to go see Mom. I have to drop by the grocery store, I have to go by the grocery store and El Ulta, and then we're going to go see Mom. So, let's go.
Another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bring you a dude to another. I will stay true. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way for me. I'm gonna love you like nobody loves you. When a man named Al Capone tried to make that town his own, and he called his gang to war with the forces of the law. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Okay guys, I am back. I just came out and I spent time with her. I was there for her to eat. And then I helped her get into her bed and get ready for bed and stuff. I don't think she's getting better. I think she still has a UTI. I talked to the nurse and they're going to call the doctor tomorrow to see if they can recheck it, because I'm pretty sure she's done with the 5 days worth of antibiotics, and she's starting to lean to the right again. She hasn't done that in forever. So they're going to check, and they're going to check her ammonia levels, because that's what somebody told me to have them do. So they're going to ask the doctor tomorrow to check her ammonia levels, or to get a printout from the hospital. Actually, first they're going to get a printout from the hospital of whatever tests they already did, because they might have already tested it. And I told her, well, if it's not on there, then I need it tested. And she said, okay, that she'd tell the doctor that, and then to recheck her for the UTI. So they're going to have him do that tomorrow. It's past office hours right now, is why she can't do it tonight. But she said she would do it tomorrow. So, I mean, her spirits are good, and I got her to eat everything. And then she even ate a Twinkie afterwards. So, I mean, she's good, but she's not good. You know what I mean? It's like, she's not as bad as she is when she first gets the UTI, when she really goes down. But she's definitely not back to her baseline yet. So she definitely needs to be checked, and they're going to check her tomorrow, hopefully. So I will check back in tomorrow and let you know what they found out. Hey guys, it's Saturday, so I just thought I would come in and film an ending for the vlog this week. I'm not sure, I know I haven't shown her in any of the vlogs because she's just not really up to it. Every day when I go in, she's in bed, or she's at the dinner table, because they make her get up and go to the dinner table. One day she wasn't. She was in bed, and they said they tried to get her up and she wouldn't do it. She said she didn't want to get out of bed. So I went in there and got her up and had them bring her meal just in the room, but I had her get up and sit in the wheelchair to eat it, because, and then last night when I was there, when I got there late, so she was already in the dining room, and they tell me pretty much she doesn't eat if I'm not there. So that's why when I go there, I make her eat everything, well, as much as I can. Like last night they had cheeseburgers and french fries. She ate 3 french fries, because I told her she had to eat 3 french fries. Because I got her to eat the whole cheeseburger, and then I told her she needed to eat the french fries too, and she said no, they were cold. Well, that's right, she didn't eat them. She didn't eat them. I told her she had to eat 3. And she went to eat them, and then she spit them back out and said they were cold. And I said, of course they're cold. You let them sit here for half an hour. Anyway, so then I took her back to her room, and she ate one of those Little Debbie things that I brought to her. So she ate She ate a full cheeseburger and a Little Debbie. So I guess that's enough. And she drank, oh, and they gave her a shake. They just made it out of ice cream and milk and stuff and chocolate syrup, I guess. I don't know, because it was slightly chocolatey. But she drank almost all of that, so she got plenty of sugar. Anyway, she seems to be getting a little better. They were supposed to be doing a UA last night to check and make sure that she was over the UTI, because when she first finished the antibiotics for it, she was not over it. I could tell, I could smell ammonia, and her mental state just let me know she was not over it. And then last night when I went in, she said her legs hurt so bad, and I said, why did your legs hurt? Because she doesn't even try to walk, so it's not, I don't know why her legs would hurt. She said because she was so cold. So, I had already got a blanket to keep in her lap when she was in the wheelchair. And I said, well, you need to hang on to this blanket. Don't let anyone take it. Because when I got there, she didn't have it on there, even though we had gotten it for that the day before. They didn't put it on her. Anyways, I'm going to take her some sweatpants today, so she'll be fine. Anyways, arrangements are being made for her to go back to California. So she will be going back to California. Her stay where she's at now, her rehab stay is good through the 30th. So I think it's the 30th, yeah. And I think there's 31 days in this month. So there's going to be like 1 day between the time she can go stay there and come and go to California, to the place in California, because I think she can go there on August 1st. So I don't know if she's going to come home. I would say that's it. She's probably going to come here for 1 day. Which, I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, I don't mind, of course, but I know that my brother's supposed to be coming to get her, and I'm pretty sure she's going to consider him her savior to take her back to California. And that's what I want. I want her to be happy. I want her to think she's being saved. I want her to move into her new home, make friends, try hard, because she's not trying hard right now. Every day when I get there and she didn't eat, I'm like, do you not want to get better? And she says, she does. And I'm like, well, if you don't eat, you're not going to get better. And then she talks weird, and I don't know what she's talking about. Neither does she. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I just wanted you guys to know where we stand. She's doing better. The UTI, I think, is getting better, because yesterday she was better. She doesn't want to get out of bed, but I don't know why. I don't think it's a physical thing, because she did seem clearer. Not back. She's definitely not back to her baseline yet, though. That's why I wanted them to do the UA, because I'm thinking that the antibiotics might have helped, but they didn't get rid of it, because she's not back to her baseline. So hopefully they'll have the results today, and we'll find out. So until next week, I will let you go know what's going on next week in next week's video. But for now, we're doing pretty good. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.